Okay, so now in this video we're going to talk about adding some of those secondary pages and kind of how to interlink them. So again, we're at the home page here, and once again the home page only links to each of those kind of top level categories. We have one plane golf swing, two plane golf swing, inside out golf swing. So now if I click on one plane golf swing, it takes me to the one plane golf swing page. Now, so that's right here. So now the next keyword and kind of page we're going to target is one plane golf swing drills. So what I've done here is I've created a page for that, and now the one plane golf swing page, if I scroll down, it links to the next page in our category, which is the one plane golf swing drill. So I just put to help you get started swinging on a one plane path, make sure to read our one plane golf swing drills article, and I linked to the next page in that category, and that's the only page it links to. So if I click on that, and again I used the relevant keyword, that brings me to the one plane golf swing drills page. So from here, obviously I'd have much more content, it'd look much better, but this is just a demo site. So now the next one in the process is one plane golf swing grip. So again, the one plane golf swing drills only links to the next page in that category. So at the bottom, and again these links can be put anywhere, it just says you'll also want to make sure you're holding the club correctly, so be sure to read our one plane golf swing grip guide. So I link to the next page in the category. I use a relevant anchor text, so if I click on that, I also created that page. And now since this is the last page kind of in this category, at the end of the article I simply link back to the home page. So at the end of this article I just put, to learn about other swing styles, read more of our swing a golf club correctly tips. So I didn't use the same keyword. Remember, the home page is trying to rank for how to swing a golf club. You don't want to keep overusing that keyword, so I mixed it up a little. So I put swing a golf club correctly tips, and that's the only link on this page. If I click that, I am right back on the home page. So you can see how all of these interlinking pages kind of just take you through a funnel right back to the start. And again, this is going to kind of redirect or direct all of our page rank, all of our link juice from our incoming links. It's very, very important. I've found it works exceptionally well for SEO kind of right now, current state. And really, this is something that's been used for a long time. People just kind of quit using it, but it works very, very well. So again, we're not scattering links all over the place. Very defined on how we're linking the articles together. From the home page, you see no reference to these two pages, one plane golf swing drills, one plane golf swing grip, because again, those are lower competition. They don't need as much kind of link juice going at them, so there's no reference. You only get to those by going through the funnel, and again, this just funnels all the link juice right through all the articles. Now, like I said on the pages, the only link you're going to have is to the next step in that funnel. You can also put additional links in here. If you're going to do any additional links, I would recommend putting a link out to an authority site, so maybe like a Wikipedia, kind of whatever authority it is in that market. But other than that, keep the links to a minimum. Really funnel your page rank throughout the site, and then just go ahead and create the rest of the pages. So for me, I would have to create these two pages, again, doing the link process I talked about earlier to keep that link juice funneling right through the site. So you can go ahead, make those other pages, get your interlinking correct, and from there, the site itself or the content will be pretty much taken care of. Of course, you can keep adding content as you go. It's always a good idea. But from here, we're going to start talking about now adding AdSense to our site. And then, of course, starting to do some SEO. I should point out a couple other pages you're going to want on your site are, your necessary legal pages, so a privacy policy, terms of use. If you, when you're running AdSense, they have a specific wordage they want in there. I'll try to find AdSense version of that and give you a link to it. But again, you're going to want the legal pages. You're also going to want a contact us page. So a page that just simply lets people get in contact with you. Google likes to see those, so go ahead, add those kind of auxiliary pages. A good place to do those is put them in the footer, and you can also use a no follow link on those. I'll put the code for a no follow below the video as well. But other than that, you're pretty much good to go. And we'll start working on some of adding the AdSense and getting SEO. And of course, you can also go ahead and get yourself a nice little header made. Nothing wrong with that. A little logo or something to kind of spruce up the site. But other than that, we're pretty much good with the site. And now we'll talk about adding AdSense in the next video.